How to use money to make more money. Step-by-step guide. Ever wondered how the rich get richer? It's not about luck. It's about strategy. In this video, we'll break down step-by-step how you can use your money to make more money, no matter where you're starting from. Ready to unlock your financial potential? Let's dive in. The foundation, understanding the basics. Before you can grow your money, you need to understand three key pillars: income, savings, and investment. Income is the fuel. Savings are your safety net, and investments are your growth engine. So let's start with step 1, building that foundation. Step 1, start with a budget. Divide your income into 3 main categories: essentials like rent and bills, savings for emergencies, and money you'll set aside to invest. Apps like Mint or YNAB make this easy, so you can track every dollar. Step 2, build an emergency fund. Before you start investing, make sure you have at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved. This is your financial cushion, so you don't need to pull money from investments during unexpected situations. Step 3, start investing. Don't just let your money sit in a savings account. Put it to work. Start with index funds or ETFs like the S&P 500, which are low cost and beginner friendly. The earlier you start, the more time compound interest has to grow your wealth. Step 4, diversify your investments. Diversification is the key to reducing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. While stocks might be your starting point, you can expand into real estate, side businesses, or even dividend-paying investments for consistent income. Step 5, automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts every month. This ensures you're consistently building wealth without having to think about it. Out of sight, out of mind. Step 6, create passive income streams. Think of ways your money can work for you. Rent out a property, invest in dividend-paying stocks, or even create a product like an ebook that sells while you sleep. The goal is to make money without being directly involved every day. Step 7, avoid common pitfalls. While building wealth, avoid common pitfalls like high-interest debt, emotional investing, and get-rich-quick schemes. Remember, consistency and patience are your biggest allies when it comes to growing wealth. Step 8, continuously educate yourself. Finally, never stop learning. Follow finance blogs, watch videos, and read books from experts like Warren Buffett or Robert Kiyosaki. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using your money to make more money. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more finance tips to take control of your future. Let us know in the comments which step you're starting with today.